evening. It feels like it's been a very long time since I have done a hotel tour, a hotel room tour, and tonight I am staying, believe it or not, for all the hotels that I have stayed at, this is the first time I have stayed at the Premier Inn in Glasgow. All the details, address and everything else I'll put either in the video or in the description box, but yeah, tonight I'm staying here and this video is going to be a room tour of this room. Here I am on the 7th floor, the Premier Inn. It's on the side of Sauchiehall Street as you start on Sauchiehall Street in Glasgow, near the Buchanan bus station, near the Pavilion, Glasgow Pavilion Theatre. That's the location of where I am just now. John Lewis as well. So yeah, let's get straight into this video by starting, it feels like I haven't said this for a long time, by starting at the front door of the room. So I've got my jacket hanging up just now, hanging space there, mirror here, another mirror, little shelf to put your keys and whatnot, hairdryer, sockets, ooh, so switch for the light, it's a nice touch. Some more hanging space with hangers, extra pillows, this thing here to do some sort of yoga maybe, I don't know. Big cushion there. Got a kettle for some teas, coffee, and some milk, some PG tips, sugars, Nescafe, another plug there. Towels, bin, and yeah, this is a general overview of the room. So this is got a double and a single bed room. High level sockets and USB, which is a bit strange. Maybe you can move the table over to here. So one chair, and you can use the power outlets, an HDMI outlet there, another switch which means light. Sometimes it doesn't, sometimes I put a switch on and nothing happens, so I'll keep that on actually. Does that control that over there as well? Oh no, it's a separate light for that one. But I like the feeling, I like the vibe, it's clean, it's nice, it's modern. Side of the bed, got a USB point socket. This light here controls that light there. Got bedside lights as well, a little switch behind it. And the bonus is you've got the exact same setup over there, the only difference is little floating shelf. And here's a table on this side. We'll have a look at the view in a moment and some of the menu for the drinks and food as well, but let's go and check out the bathroom. Again, nice, clean, modern. So your bath with a handheld shower, an overhead shower. Complimentary Bayliss and Harding Elements hair and body wash. It's nice, I'm liking this. And there's me in the sink. Here's another Bayliss and Harding, what's this? Hand wash. Yeah, it's got everything you really need. And like I said, it is clean. I like the purple ambience, being the Premier Inn, the purple light there. If you put the main light off, look at that. Some mood lighting in the room, in the bathroom. You've got the heating here, control your heating. I'm not really sure what's this here. It's just a canvas of, it looks like leaves. Yeah, nice. The view, let's have a look at the view. I may have to put the light off a little bit just to get the glare away. Yeah, there's a nice view there of Glasgow at night time. It is December, so over there at George Square there's some shows, some rides, funfair shows and rides. And looking down on the street, it's a really nice night. It's not cold tonight, but I'm sure that will change over the next couple of days. But yeah, it's a nice vibe going on in Glasgow this weekend. Going back to the table, heating instructions, so this is really good to know. Like if you've watched me for a while now, yeah, always struggle sometimes to, not to put it off and on, but it's always good to know, handy, save phone and reception. I'm trying to figure out how to work the heating rather than just putting it off. The menu, I will just scan through the menu, but obviously I'm going to check to see if they've got any pizzas, of course. They've got light bites, grills, burgers, pizzas, create your own pizza. Not a bad price, to be fair. There you go. Not bad prices overall. And if you're non-gluten, menu, there's a QR code there. And here is the breakfast. If I do have breakfast tomorrow, I will put some clips in of the restaurant and the food if I do. But not too bad. Unlimited continental, $8.99. And you get bakery, sliced bread, fruits, yoghurt, cereals, hot drinks, cold drinks. Looks good. And then the drinks menu. Again, I'll just scan over this if you wish to pause the video and check out the prices for yourself. Again, I think they're pretty reasonable prices considering you are in the city centre of Glasgow. I think there's another page to be fair. Yep. There's the wine. So I'm not a big drinker, to be fair, so I'm not really sure kind of wine prices and alcohol prices, but seems okay. Seems reasonable enough. Don't know what that is. Your mattress, your home. Turn over for more information. Yeah, luxury, so okay. Should have a luxury bedding range. There you go. If you want to get some Premier Inn bedding, there's a QR code. There we go. No smoking and no vaping in this room. I'm going to put the TV on just now to see. Welcome to your room. See if there's anything good to watch, or what type of channels do we have. There's some football results coming in. You've got all the basic TV channels plus a few other channels. Put this on mute. So not too bad of a selection. I am going as quick as you can. You can hear my finger going as quick as I can just to go through it, because this is probably not very exciting to watch. I get that, just to going through, but you never know, you might be something that you want to watch whilst here. There we go. Back to the start again. So I would say, yeah, decent selection for the TV. Put that back off just now. I think that's really it. I've covered everything of this room. I will put some clips in of the hotel itself. It is dark outside just now, but yeah, I'll try and put it all together to hopefully show you some of the hotel. And like I said, if I have breakfast tomorrow, then in the hotel I will show you that. And yeah, if you get any questions, let me know. That's really it. It's been so strange doing this video. I haven't done just a hotel video like this for a very long time. So if you haven't seen my channel before, welcome. My name's Ian. If you want to hit subscribe, check out my channel, check out my content, travel content, theme park content. Yeah, back in a hotel feels very strange, and I'm coming to the end of 2024. I've got so much planned for 2025, so hopefully you can join the community on YouTube here and or over on social media on Instagram and Facebook if you wish. But yeah, that's it. That's really it. So thank you all for watching. Thank you all for your support. As always, this year has been epic, and next year's going to be even more epic. Just like what I've done there. Epic Universe. I'm looking forward to that. That's what's in my head there when I say epic now. Over in Orlando, Florida. Cannot wait to hopefully try and get there. That is the plan, to get there. I'm trying my best to get over there. So anyway, that's it. Thank you all for watching this video. Hope you're all well. And if I don't do a new video, hey, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. And yeah, I'll see you all in 2025. But I'm hoping to do some more videos before the end of the year. But yeah, there we go. Premier Inn here in Glasgow. And so far, so good, even though I haven't slept in the bed yet. Anyway, take care. See you all soon. Bye bye.